How's it going, guys? Today I was just going to do another unboxing. I'm not sure what's in this one, but I've got quite a bit of stuff ordered. I know most all of it's game related, so it ought to be something fun. Well, anybody knows what that is. It's model number 1658. It's Sega. That's the Minister Eye. Yeah, for the light gun. Yeah, I bought several things from this guy, some games, and Gun Griffin Blaze. It's a Japanese game, my Capcom. Complete. Manual's pristine. Disc is mint. That's what I'm talking about. I'll give you a little shot at the back of it. Can't read nothing, but see pretty pictures. Alright, memory card. Performance provides 15 blocks of memory for PlayStation. Bonus storage case specifically designed to store your memory card. Right, let's see what we got. Sweet. Got a regular PlayStation. Performance PlayStation. I got a white one and a gray one, and then another gray one with Diablo. I guess it's got his saves on there. There's some Dragon Ball Z, Final Fantasy 7, Breath of Fire 5. It's pretty cool. Of course, or I wouldn't have bought it. Oh yeah. Couple of Magic Gates, PlayStation 2. I like the look of these. PlayStation Blue Magic Gate. A couple of red ones. Well, guys, that's the end of that. Hope you enjoyed a look at it. Peace out from Texas, guys. Like me and you are fixing to have a little run-in, Gun Griffin Blaze.